Have you noticed your eyesight isn't as clear as it used to be? Maybe you struggle to read small print on your phone, your eyes feel dry at the end of the day, or lights at night seem blurrier than before. Imagine if, instead of relying only on glasses, medications, or surgery, you could strengthen your vision naturally, just by adding a handful of simple, powerful foods into your daily routine. What if the key to sharper, clearer eyes had been sitting quietly on your kitchen shelf all along? Stay with me, because in this video I will reveal the natural secrets to protecting and restoring your vision. Seeds, nutrients, and habits that scientists are discovering can transform the way your eyes age. And before we dive in, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. It costs nothing, but it helps this channel grow so I can keep sharing natural health solutions with you. Let me tell you, our eyes are one of the most delicate and most important organs in the body. They are windows to the soul, yes, but also windows to our health. When our eyesight begins to fail, it's not only frustrating, it's a signal. Your body is telling you that it needs more protection, more antioxidants, more of the nutrients that strengthen your vision from within. And while doctors are quick to prescribe glasses or expensive procedures, what few people realize is that prevention and even restoration can begin naturally right in your kitchen. Let's start with one of the most powerful allies for your eyes, chia seeds. They may be tiny, but they carry a nutritional punch. Rich in plant-based omega-3, antioxidants, and carotenoids like lutein and zeaxanthin, chia reduces inflammation in the eyes, prevents dryness, and helps protect your retina from degeneration. Many people believe omega-3s are only available through fish, but chia offers an incredible alternative, especially for those who don't eat seafood. Think of it as an invisible shield that coats and strengthens your eyes from within. Now let's talk about flax seeds, another incredible superfood for vision. Flax is high in alpha-linolenic acid and lignans, compounds that nourish the macula, the part of your eye responsible for central vision. The macula is often the first to weaken with age, leading to blurred vision and difficulty reading. By including flax in your diet, you slow down this process. The secret, though, is preparation. Whole flax seeds often pass through the body undigested, so you must grind them fresh before eating. That way, you unlock their oils and their power. Moving on, sunflower seeds may surprise you. These humble snacks are full of vitamin E and zinc. Why does this matter? Vitamin E is one of the most potent antioxidants for eye health, slowing the damage caused by free radicals and oxidative stress, while zinc supports the immune defenses of your eyes and helps vitamin A travel to the retina. Together, they form a dynamic duo that protects your sight. A handful of sunflower seeds a day could be one of the simplest, most effective ways to shield your eyes. Pumpkin seeds are next, and they're a true powerhouse. Not only are they rich in zinc, but also in lutein and zeaxanthin, the carotenoids often called natural sunglasses, because they filter harmful blue light and UV rays before they can damage the retina. In our modern world, filled with screens and artificial light, this protection is invaluable. Imagine pumpkin seeds as tiny guardians, working day and night to protect your eyes from the constant assault of screens, pollution, and aging. Then we have sesame seeds, small but mighty. They are another excellent source of vitamin E, boosting circulation in the tiny vessels that feed your eyes. Poor circulation means fewer nutrients and less oxygen reaching those delicate tissues, which accelerates aging. By improving blood flow, sesame helps slow down cataracts and keeps your vision sharper for longer. Hemp seeds are another gift of nature. Bursting with omega-3 fatty acids, they reduce dryness, improve retinal health, and support the regeneration of damaged eye cells. Dry eyes may seem like a minor inconvenience, but left unchecked, they can lead to bigger problems. Hemp seeds not only ease that irritation, but also nourish your vision long-term. And finally, grape seeds, an overlooked treasure. They contain powerful compounds called proanthocyanidins, which strengthen the walls of tiny capillaries in the eyes. Stronger vessels mean better microcirculation, more oxygen, more nutrients reaching the retina, and less silent inflammation. Proanthocyanidins are like the fountain of youth for your eyes, slowing down age-related vision decline and even helping to repair damaged tissue. Now, you may be wondering, how can I possibly remember to eat all these seeds every day? The answer is simple. Create a daily vision mix. Take 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon of hemp seeds, and 1 tablespoon of grapeseed flour. Mix them together in a glass jar and store it in your kitchen. Every morning, add 2 spoons of this blend to your breakfast. Sprinkle it over fruit, yogurt, oatmeal, or blend it into a smoothie. To maximize the benefits, always combine it with a healthy fat like olive oil, avocado, or nuts. These fats enhance the absorption of antioxidants and omega-3s, unlocking the full power of the mix. But here's the secret: consistency. The magic doesn't happen in a day or a week. It happens with daily habits, built slowly over time. Just as vision declines gradually, protection and restoration happen gradually too. But with consistency, the results can be extraordinary. Now let me ask you, which of these seeds do you already eat, and which one surprised you the most? Drop your answer in the comments below. I read every single one, and your feedback helps me create even more powerful content for you. And if you're finding this information valuable, don't forget to like this video right now. It helps YouTube know that natural health matters, and it helps more people discover these secrets. For those over 50, or for anyone who wants extra protection, there are also key supplements that science confirms support healthy vision. The first is lutein combined with zeaxanthin. These 2 carotenoids act as natural filters for blue light and ultraviolet rays, protecting the macula from damage. T. They are the reason people who eat more leafy greens often have better vision into old age. The second supplement is omega-3, particularly DHA, which forms part of the very structure of the retina. Without enough omega-3, your eyes literally lack the building blocks they need to function. The third is vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that improves circulation, strengthens blood vessels, and fights oxidative stress inside the eyes. And the fourth is zinc, often overlooked but crucial. Zinc helps transport vitamin A from the liver to the retina, where it forms melanin, the pigment that protects your eyes from light damage. Without zinc, your night vision suffers, and your eyes age faster. Together, these 4 supplements, lutein and zeaxanthin, omega-3, vitamin C, and zinc, form a foundation for strong, resilient eyesight, especially as the years pass. Now imagine this. You wake up in the morning, and instead of reaching immediately for your glasses, you notice that words on the page seem clearer. Your eyes no longer burn at night after hours of screen time. The blurriness fades, and you feel confident driving again. This is not a miracle. It's the result of nourishing your eyes with the compounds they need to heal themselves. Nature gave us these tools, but it's up to us to use them. So here's my challenge to you. Start today. Prepare the daily vision mix. Commit to eating it every morning, and if you're over 50, consider adding the supplements we discussed. Give your body the consistency it needs, and watch as your vision begins to change. Don't wait until it's too late. Don't wait until your eyesight has declined beyond repair. Start now, while your body still has the ability to regenerate and protect itself. If this message resonated with you, I ask for your support. Like this video, share it with someone you care about, and subscribe for more natural health solutions. Your engagement helps this channel reach more people and keeps these life-changing tips alive. And in the comments, write the words "perfect vision recipe" if you'd like me to create a complete meal plan using these seeds and supplements, designed to protect and restore your eyesight day by day. Thank you for spending this time with me. Your vision is precious. Take care of it, protect it, and let these simple seeds and nutrients show you that sometimes the most powerful medicine is the one nature has provided all along. Here's to clear, bright, healthy vision for many years to come. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.